Introduction to Windows 7. Lofty goal. In this lesson, you will learn about the operating system Windows 7.
Hey Mighty, when I start my computer, it shows downloading Windows. What does it mean?
Windows is an operating system. It helps to start your computer. Let's see how to work with Windows.
To manage hardware and software, we need an operating system. Operating system is a software that helps you to operate the computer system through its various functions. It controls and manages different parts of a computer system. It acts as an interface between the computer parts and the user. There are different operating systems. Some of the popular operating systems are Microsoft Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS. Inventor. Microsoft Corporation was founded by two people, Paul Allen and Bill Gates. Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating systems. It is a series of programming systems and environments developed by Microsoft Corporation. HOTS. When MS Windows loads, which picture appears on the screen? Some more. Windows 8, the latest version of Windows. Common features of Microsoft Windows. GUI. Short for Graphical User Interface. A GUI operating system contains graphics and icons and is commonly navigated by using a computer mouse. Multi-user. A multi-user operating system allows for multiple users to use the same computer at the same time. Multiprocessing. An operating system capable of supporting and utilizing more than one computer processor. Multitasking. An operating system that is capable of allowing multiple software processors to run at the same time. Windows Desktop. When your computer starts for the first time, a beautiful background appears with many things. It is called the desktop. It will look something like this. Taskbar. The taskbar is the thin strip that runs across the bottom of your screen. It is split into a number of different areas: a round start button, quick launch icons, running programs, a notification area, and a clock. The new features of taskbar. Jump lists. With jump lists, you can jump to the documents, pictures, songs, and websites you use most often simply by right-clicking a program button on the taskbar. Pinning. In Windows 7, you can pin favorite programs anywhere on the taskbar for easy access. Live taskbar previews. In Windows 7, you can see a thumbnail view by pointing to a taskbar button of opened windows. Move your mouse over a thumbnail to preview the window full screen and click it to open the window. Gadgets. Windows contain mini programs called gadgets, which put information on your right side desktop. For example, you can use gadgets to display a calendar. Some more. DOS. Disk Operating System was the first widely installed operating system for personal computers. The Start button. The Start button is a place where a lot of the action takes place in Windows 7. The Start button can be found in the bottom left of your screen. Click on the Start menu button. A list of programs will appear. You can see more software by clicking All Programs above the Start menu. Above all programs, you can see the programs that you have recently used. A software can be launched by clicking an icon or folder. Some more. Have you seen the big Start button on your Windows XP computer? Well, you can enjoy the Start button of Windows 7 with a round icon. Switching off the computer. Follow the given steps to switch off the computer. Close all running programs. Click the Start button. Click on Shutdown. The following screen gets displayed on clicking Shutdown. Wait till the screen becomes blank and then switch off the monitor by pressing the power button on it. The computer has shut down. Which one is correct? Advanced features of Windows 7. Lofty goal. In this lesson, you will learn about the following: features of Windows, what's new in Windows 7, advanced settings of desktop appearance. In the previous class, I read that Windows 7 is an advanced version of operating system. Please tell me more about it.
Sure. In this lesson, you will learn about the advanced settings of the operating system, Windows 7.
You know that MS Windows is an operating system. Operating system is a software that helps you to operate the computer system through its various functions. It manages and controls the different parts of a computer system. It acts as an interface between you and the various computer parts. Features of Windows. Windows is a graphical user interface GUI. That is, programs, files, and other applications are represented graphically in the form of icons and menus and can be easily used with the help of a mouse. Its features are: more than one application can be run at a time in Windows. It handles input and output to and from hardware devices such as hard disks, printers, etc. There are several versions of Windows such as Windows 98, NT, XP, Vista, 7 and 8. When the computer is switched on, it is the first program that starts automatically and gets loaded into the memory of the computer. What's new in Windows 7? Many background tasks and programs have been upgraded in Windows 7. As a result, programs execute faster and more efficiently than the previous versions of Windows. Internet Explorer 8. Windows 7 has included the latest version of Microsoft's web browser Internet Explorer 8. Windows Media Player 12. Windows 7 has included a new version of Windows Media Player 12. Microsoft Paint. Windows 7 has included a dramatically improved version of Microsoft Paint. Windows Media Center. Windows 7 has included a new version of Windows Media Center. Some more. Windows Media Center supports more global TV standards and tuners, including digital and HD. HOTS. What do you mean by upgrading software? Calculator. The calculator utility gets a surprisingly hefty upgrade in Windows 7 with many new operating modes, including normal and scientific. Microsoft WordPad. WordPad gets the Scenic ribbon in Windows 7 and becomes a full-featured word processor. Advanced settings of desktop appearance. In the previous class, you learned how to change the basic settings of the desktop, screensaver, wallpaper, and the likes. Here are some advanced settings for the desktop appearance. Sometimes the desktop becomes cluttered with many icons, and clutter can make it hard to find the icons you need. To arrange the icons, Step 1. Right-click in an empty area. Step 2. In the shortcut menu that appears, click on the Sort By option. Step 3. Choose any option from the options displayed here. Click Sort By. 2. Name. Arrange the icons in alphabetical order by the icon name. Size. Arrange icons in order of file size. If the icon is a shortcut to a program, the size refers to the size of the shortcut file. Item type. Arrange icons in order of type. For example, if you have shortcuts to several PowerPoint presentations on your desktop, this will be arranged next to each other. Date modified. Arrange icons in the order that the item was last modified. Click View. 2. Auto arrange. Arrange the icons in columns along the left side of your screen. Align to grid. Snap icons into place as designated by an invisible grid on your screen. The grid keeps the icons aligned with each other. Show desktop icons. Hide or show all desktop icons. When this command is checked, desktop icons are displayed on your desktop. Changing icons image on desktop. Icons, as you know, are small pictures. These pictures can be changed also. The steps details are: Step 1. Right-click in a blank area of the desktop and choose the Personalize option. Once you click it, the Personalize window will appear. Step 2. Click on the Change Desktop Icons option. The Desktop Icon Settings window appears. Step 3. Click to select any one icon and click the Change Icon button. The Change Icon dialog box appears with some pictures. Step 4. Click to select any one of them and click the OK button in the Change Icon dialog box. Step 5. Click the Apply and then the OK buttons in the Display Icons setting dialog box. You will now be back at your Windows desktop and you will see the desktop icons change to what you choose. Sound volume control. The volume control program on the system tray helps us control the volume of different audio devices of the computer. Step 1. Double-click the volume control icon in the system tray on the taskbar. The volume control slider pops up. Here are some options to control the volume. Volume slider. By dragging the slider, the volume level can be increased or decreased. Mute option. By clicking on it, you can silence all the sound. Mixer link. Click on the mixer link. Volume mixer speaker HP window opens up. Step 2. Adjust and customize the sound volume on an application using the slides for applications. Changing the mouse pointer. Step 1. Right-click on the desktop and select the Personalize option from the desktop menu. Step 2. Click Change Mouse Pointers. The Mouse Properties window opens up. Step 3. Customize your mouse pointer by choosing from the options given. Some more. Your computer's clock is used to record the time whenever you create or modify files on your computer. Changing the date and time. The time and date shown by the computer can be changed using the following steps. Step 1. Click on the date and time on the extreme right of the taskbar. The date and time window pops up. Step 2. Click the Change Date and Time tab. The Date and Time Settings window opens up. Step 3. Click Date and Time buttons to change the date and time settings. Step 4. Change the date, example 23 November 2013, in the calendar and change the time, example 12/32/21. Click OK. Which one is correct?